Congratulations on the installation of your new energy-efficient Samsung Quantum 2.0 ductless heat pump. My name is Russell, and by the end of this video, you'll feel confident operating your unit and know that you've selected the correct settings for your heating and cooling needs. The outdoor unit of your Samsung Quantum 2.0 comes with the durable factory finish and is mounted on aluminum stands to prevent corrosion. Additionally, these rubber pads serve to minimize noise caused by the vibrations of the normal operation of the unit. After installation, customer maintenance on the outdoor unit is minimal, but I will mention a few things for you to be aware of so you can avoid any costly damage. If you look at the side and the back of the unit, you will notice the coil. When the unit is in heat mode, it will frost up. That is a normal function, and the unit will defrost automatically. Do not try to remove that ice or snow and damage those coils, as it's not covered under any warranty. Heat pumps work by moving air, so it's important to maintain a distance around the unit about 3 to 4 feet. In the winter, if you have snow accumulation, it's crucial for the operation of the unit that you remove that snow and restore the airflow over the coils. Here you will find an emergency disconnect that serves as an electrical break between the unit and the electrical breaker on the interior home panel. It is not recommended that this disconnect be used for any other purpose other than an emergency. If the breaker has been pulled, we recommend that you contact us. The unit may need to be inspected or serviced. The line sets that connect the outdoor unit with the indoor unit, if not roughed in during the building process, as in this one, are covered with a plastic cover that provides both protection from the outdoor elements and a clean professional appearance. You'll notice there will be water dripping from the condensate drain when cooling. This hose connects directly to the indoor unit and provides a path for condensation, which is a normal result of cooling air, to flow. See, when warm air passes over a cold coil, the water vapor in that air will condense into liquid water. If not for this tube, you would have an issue. So never cap or block this tube, as it could lead to water damage on the interior of the home. Now let's go on in and take a look at the interior unit. Well, here we are at the indoor unit. It really works by taking air through the top. There are some filters up there, and you can check out our maintenance video to see when and how to clean those filters. Draws the air through the coils to heat or cool, and then ejects them through these flaps and louvers, which are adjustable. Here we have the information display. You will see various bits of information here when the unit is operating. On the side is a temperature sensor, and the only manual button on the interior unit is this on-off button located on the top right corner. The rest of it will be controlled using the remote, so let's take a look at that now. Your heat pump is controlled using this remote. It is loaded with many features to optimize the comfort of your living space throughout the daily and seasonal weather patterns. Let's take a look at some of the basic functions on this remote. Below the display is the power and the mode button. The power button turns on and off the machine, and the mode button will cycle through automatic, cool, dry, fan, and heat modes. So let's go ahead and turn this unit on by directing the remote at the display, pressing the power button, and you should hear a beep indicating a connection between the remote and the unit. The various modes here on the display, we'll go through each of those. First one is automatic. Automatic function is great if you want the unit to completely take control over the heating and cooling. All you have to do in this mode, set the temperature up or down, and the unit will take care of the fan speed and whether it's in heating or cooling mode. In our climate, where the shoulder seasons see more drastic swings in temperature, the automatic mode is not preferred, as the unit may be trying to heat in the early morning only to switch to cooling just a few hours later. For this reason, we recommend that the user selects which mode they want to operate in. Adjusting the temperature is easy. Simply press up or down on this button to control the temperature with 1 degree increments. While we're on it, if you'd like to see your remote in Celsius, you can simply press and hold the set button for 3 seconds and it will switch to Celsius or Fahrenheit depending on what you have it. Special note here, the remote changes to Celsius, but the unit display on the wall remains in Fahrenheit. Back to our mode button. The next one is cool. Obviously, if you'd like to cool the air, you can be in that mode, most commonly used in the summer. Next is dry. Dry is used really as a dehumidifier. So if you find that it's humid in your space and you'd like to dry that air out, you can just simply run the dry mode. You can't control the fan speed in this case. That the unit takes care of that in order to remove the moisture. Fan mode simply uses the unit as a circulating air, just as a floor fan might. And lastly, heat. In the wintertime, if you'd like to have some heat, you use this function. Moving across the remote, there are a couple of air direction buttons. On this particular model, we only use the top one, which is the flap, which moves the direction of the air up or down. You can manually adjust the louvers on the inside to move the air from side to side. However, if you want to stop the flap from moving, you can just press the button once. Wherever it is, it will maintain that position. Or you can press it again to continue the movement up and down. The fast button maximizes the output of the unit. So you can use this mode when you've been away for a few days and you want to get the temperature down or up depending on the season. Press that button, it will maximize the output to reach the temperature. Contrastingly, the Econo button will minimize the electrical usage of the machine so as to slowly get to the temperature that you have set. The bottom buttons and the options can be used to access some of the smart features of this unit. You can actually connect to the SmartThings app and control the unit and get some other settings through an app if necessary. Check the owner's manual to view some of those extra features. Right now, I think I'll just run you through how to set up the time on the unit so that you can start using it right away. To set the time, we go to Options, and as you click Options, you can move through the various functions. We are going to keep pressing Options until we get to Clock. Once you press Clock, press Set. Using the direction keys, select the hour. Press Set again to get to Minutes. Again, use the direction keys. Press Set again for AM or PM, and press Set one final time, and your time is set. Well, there you have it, folks. Some of the basic functions of your Samsung Quantum 2.0 ductless heat pump. We always aim to provide energy efficiency advice, products, and services so that we can all make better decisions for a cleaner future. If you'd like more information on this product, you can check out our website, consult the owner's manual, or you can give us a call.